Mountain view, the most beautiful place. Wonderful house and beautiful nature and flowers. This is our school, most beautiful place. Guys, see the green earth, most beautiful place and nature. My two school friend. Guys, see the most beautiful place. This is a rice farmer. This is a river. My cute cat. Guys, see the most beautiful river at our village. Manas National Park view as riverside view. See the most beautiful place. This is a riverside view. River as weather just view, guys. This is our village. Guys, what is this flower's name? Please comment.